Today we got a big unboxing going on down in the office right now. What y'all think is inside of here? Huh? Let's see. Let's see what's inside this mug, man. Dang. Boy, them working man hand, boy. Knock your ass out, boy. Let's see. Let's see. At least the other one. That one ain't that bad. Let's see, boy. Let's see, boy. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all know what these is? Let's see. Let's see if we can get one open without making too much of a mess. You know. You know. Let's see if we can get one open without making too much of a mess. Ooh, good. Yeah, man. Ooh wee. Ooh wee. Uh. Let's open up this second one right here. See what this one is. Let's go ahead and see what this one is real quick. Man, excuse my hands, man. I know they look crusty as hell, but I've been working this early. Hey, let's see. Take this up out of there. Man, they look even worse on camera, bruh. Damn. Let's unveil. What do you think is in this one? Take a couple seconds to guess, man. Comment below what you think is in the box right now in this video. What kind of Rolex is this, man? Is it a 26, 36, 34, or 40 millimeter, man? I'll give y'all a couple minutes. Couple seconds. Comment below right now. Drop that comment. Drop that comment right now. Let's see what we got right here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. And last but not least, last but not least,
Nah, for real.
Just clean my dog JC up, man. He just stopped by. We gonna have a lot more coming, man. You feel me?
Okay. Oh yeah, these bitches nice.
Yeah, my dog came and got right real quick.
I just got a big ass head. These bitches straight.
Yeah, get it up. You know he coming wrist game next on y'all.
Nah, for real.
You
got
feel
to.
me?
Got to. Oh yeah, these bitches.
So how are you selling it for? How can it? So why are you selling it for 78? You want to lose what? Okay. What's the name?
Yeah. Well,
What's
what's
the
the
air,
air?
right?
Oh yeah.
Just got
You
him
gotta
some.
get that for Kurt.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I had to turn it down all the
Oh
way.
yeah.
Y'all be over here in a couple hours.
You know, he already kitted up, but
Oh yeah. This is for sure nice.
you know, he already kitted up. You feel me?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The
You
Cuban,
understand,
the Cuban. Nope.
I'm going to, yeah. Because they text me, they have jobs. Can you stop by? But I'm going to the other building. I go to Babylon and go to Amr and then leave.
Okay.
Yeah, see you guys.
See ya.